Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an apple pie and travel the world. First, let's gather our ingredients for a delicious apple pie. You'll need about 6 medium-sized apples, 2 ready-made pie crusts, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Also, have a large mixing bowl and a 9-inch pie dish ready. This guide will help you master both baking and exploring. Now let's get baking. Begin by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing your 6 apples. In a large bowl, gently toss these apple slices with half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon until well coated. Next, place 1 pie crust into your 9-inch pie dish, pour in the apple mixture, and then cover with the second crust. Crimp the edges and cut a few slits on top. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. With your pie baking, let's shift to planning your world travels. Start by researching potential destinations, paying close attention to visa requirements and local customs. Next, establish a clear budget, allocating funds for flights, accommodation, and activities. Booking your flights and lodging well in advance can save you money and ensure availability. Remember to pack light, bringing versatile clothing and all essential travel documents. Finally, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Savor a warm slice of your delicious homemade apple pie, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Share your baking success and exciting travel plans with loved ones. While traveling, consider taking a local cooking class to learn new recipes and immerse yourself in different cultures. Both baking and traveling offer unique flavors and unforgettable experiences. Enjoy every moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.